what exact drugs have you been taking?
You know, yeah, it's heroin. That's pretty bad.
Well, we actually have a new type of therapy.
Oh, does it work, or is it like a new trial type thing, or?
Yeah, it's a trial type thing.
No, I don't.
Wait.
Oh,
don't worry.
I don't think that's a good idea. No, I don't. No,
Prepare
doctor,
yourself.
no, doctor, please no.
Whoa. Whoa. That's weird, man. Oh. You keep dancing, dude. What did you say? What did you say?
Dancing.
Okay, well, what was the alien dancing to?
I don't know, just some classical music, man.
Okay. Oh, that means it's working. That means it's working.
No, God, please. No.
That means it's working. No. It makes you see things so that we'll tell you. So I don't know how it works. Even I don't know, and I'm the person giving it to you.
You don't know?
I need to do it.
No,
I need to do it again,
please
apparently. I need to do it 4 times.
No, please no.
Oh.
You're back, dude. Hey. God, it was the dancing again, and then it was raining dwarves, man.
Okay. Look, we gotta do it again. We gotta do it 2
No,
more times.
please, no,
This is the second time.
I don't like it.
I don't know why you even keep doing this.
Oh, you're still dancing, dude. The alien, he was back. It was just some different music, man. And the dog. It was so
Okay, that means it's working. Only one more should do it. One more should do it.
Oh, please, no. I can't. Yeah, man. No.
Hello? Well, this is awkward.